Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting in a seated position today towards the back of our mats. Let's meet in kneeling, sitting the bum back onto the heels, sit up tall through the spine, and just start to release tension away from your upper body by taking a few big shoulder rolls. Beginning to breathe deeply, connecting to your breath. And if it feels comfortable, we might send the weight forwards, tuck the toes under and sit your bum back on the heels so that we can feel this stretch through the feet, through the toes. And then start to take some big circles with those arms, reaching all the way up. Exhale the arms back down, bringing as much movement into the shoulder blades as we can. And then eventually bring the hands behind the low back, interlink the fingers and shine your heart up to the sky. Take a big breath in and a full breath out. And then eventually coming back through center, releasing the hands and walk forwards into your tabletop. Wrists under shoulders. Inhale as we look forwards. Exhale the chin to chest, round your back. Inhale, drop the belly, look forwards. Exhale, chin to chest, round your back. Just rolling through some cat-cows here in your own time. Awakening and loosening up your spine. And then eventually coming back into your tabletop. From here, let's tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back to a downward facing dog. Let's pedal out those feet, bending each knee at a time. Keep the hips high and back. Palms of the hands pressing into the floor. Gazing back to the toes. And then we come back into stillness. Maybe give the head a little shake like we're saying no, or a little nod for yes. Just release tension away from that neck. And then bend the knees, look forwards and make your way to the top of your mat. We'll meet in a forward fold. Maybe take hold of opposite elbows and find a little sway from side to side. Let the upper body feel heavy, giving your spine a moment to decompress. Full deep breaths here as we sway side to side, coming back into center. And then slowly rolling all the way up to standing. Inhale as we reach the hands up to the sky. And then exhale the hands down to heart center. Nice. From here, let's take the hands all the way back up, look up to the sky. And exhale, bend the knees, come down past a forward fold. Take the hands onto the floor, lift the gaze, look forwards for a halfway lift. On your exhale, plant those hands and step back to your plank, strong through the core. Lower down to the belly, untuck the toes at the bottom and lift into your cobra. Open the chest. Exhale as we lower. Inhale as we lift. Exhale as we lower. Inhale as we lift to our cobra. Rolling through the spine here, connecting with your breath. Next time we lift, let's relax the shoulders. Maybe sending the gaze over your right shoulder. And then over the left. Bring the gaze forwards. And then roll over the knees, meet me in a child's pose. Send your bum back towards your heels, walk your fingertips long. Just resting the forehead down to the mat, resting your chest. And then slowly coming back into your tabletop. From here, let's send the left leg out and away. The core stays engaged. Flex your toes down towards your mat. Take a full breath here. Maybe lift the left fingertips forwards, finding that balance. Maybe we look up, take a big inhale. A full exhale. Drop the left hand and spin the left toes to the side of the mat, reaching the right arm up to the sky. Strong through the right leg here, keeping it lifted, keeping the toes flexed. Take a full breath here. And if it feels good, maybe we bend through the right knee, see if we can catch the foot and open your chest. Finding strength and balance here for one more breath. And then release. Bring the right hand back to the floor, square off the hips, and step the right foot forwards to the outside of your right hand. Send your gaze forwards as you find a little sway side to side to gently open up the right hip. Coming back to stillness, roll the shoulders back. Take a full breath. And then step the right knee back and round back into your child's pose. Resting the forehead down here for just a moment. And then returning back into your tabletop. Engaging that core as you lift the left leg away. Flex the toes. Connect to your balance here. And maybe lift the right fingertips forwards, creating one big long line with the body. Look forwards, take a big breath in. And then as you exhale, drop that right hand. Spin the right toes to the long edge of your mat as you lift the left arm up to the sky. Keep lifting up through the left leg. Chest is open. We are strong. Maybe we reach behind, take hold of that left foot. Press your hips and your chest forwards, look up. Take a big breath in and a full breath out. Let's release. Drop the left hand, square off your hips, and then bring the left foot to the outside of your hand into your lizard posture. Send the gaze forwards as you find a little sway side to side. Moving through those hips before finding stillness. Rolling back the shoulders. And then maybe we tuck the back toes under here and step back into a high plank, engaged through the core. Looking down in between your hands. Take a big breath in. And exhale, we lower halfway this time. Inhale, roll over the toes, find an upward facing dog, the thighs are lifted. And exhale, meet me in a downward facing dog. We pedal out the feet here, getting into the hamstrings, bending each knee at a time. Keep breathing here. And then finding stillness, downward dog. Relax your neck. And then bend the knees, look forwards, make your way to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, forward fold. And then slowly stand all the way up, palms to the sky. Exhale your hands to your heart center. Reach both hands up as you step the right leg back into your warrior one. Keep the hips facing forwards. On your exhale, drop both hands behind your low back, interlink the fingers and roll the chest open, shoulders back. Take a full breath in, and as you exhale, hinge forwards, bringing your left shoulder towards your left knee, knuckles to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come all the way back up. Warrior one, fingertips rise up. And then open to your warrior two. Spin the back toes open, roll both shoulders back. Inhale, straighten the leg, reach up. Exhale, find a warrior two. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, find a warrior two. And again, inhale, rise up. And exhale, warrior two. Let's find eagle arms here by crossing the arms at the elbows, right elbow on top of the left, palms of the hands together and lift the elbows high, lean back. Release the arms and come back to your warrior two. Straighten the front knee and find your triangle by taking the left fingertips to the floor, right fingertips up. The chest is open, the spine is long, gazing up. And then bring both hands to the floor, transition into your low lunge, gaze forwards. Plant both hands down and step the left leg back, keeping it lifted. Slowly lower down. Inhale to your cobra or upward facing dog. And then exhale to meet me in a downward facing dog. Inhale. And exhale. Bend your knees, look forwards, make your way to the top of your mat, halfway lift. Exhale to forward fold, and big breath in as we rise up to the top, palms together, hands to heart center. Good, from here find a warrior one by taking fingertips up to the sky, stepping the left leg back, bending through that front knee. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, bring the fingertips behind your low back, interlinking the fingers, rolling your shoulders open, chest shining up to the sky. Breathe in, and breathe out to tip your body forwards, shoulder towards the knee, knuckles to the sky. Strong through the legs here. And then press into the feet, slowly release, lift the fingertips up to the sky for a warrior one. From here transition to warrior two by spinning the back toes open. Strong through the legs here, finding our eagle arms by crossing at the elbows, right elbow on top of the left, lift up, lean back. Take a full breath here. And then release, coming back into your warrior two. On your inhale, reach up, straighten the front knee. Exhale to warrior two. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, warrior two. And again. Inhale up. Exhale, landing strong in your warrior two. From here, finding our triangle pose by straightening the front knee, tipping your weight forwards and leaning over, left fingertips to the sky. Maybe send the gaze up. Take a full belly breath here. And then plant both hands down, coming into your low lunge, gazing forwards. Step the right leg back, keep it lifted, and exhale as you lower down. Inhale, find your cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, finding your downward facing dog. Keep pressing the palms of the hands into the floor. Let's roll forwards into a plank, and then exhale, bend the knees, come back, downward dog. Inhale, roll over the toes, plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, as we roll over the toes, strong through the arms. Exhale, downward facing dog. Spending a few breaths here, maybe reaching the right hand towards the left leg or ankle, Sending your gaze under the opposite arm, welcoming this twist into the body, breathing deep. Releasing back through center, maybe taking the same twist on the other side, picking the left hand up, reaching towards the outside of the right ankle as we send the gaze under the arm. Full breath. And then slowly release back to downward facing dog. Rolling forwards to your plank. Exhale, slowly lower all the way to the belly, untuck the toes and inhale to a cobra. Exhale, back to the floor. Move the hands back just a little bit and then shift your weight back, finding your child's pose. Maybe take the knees wide. Maybe sending the right arm in underneath the left for a modified thread the needle. Relax your shoulders, your upper back. Connect to your breath here. Allow everything to begin to slow down. When you're ready, taking the same stretch other side, so the right arm long, the left arm comes in under the right, resting that left shoulder onto the mat. Inhale, exhale. Release back into your child's pose. And then slowly begin to walk your hands back towards your knees, just coming out of this position. Meet me in kneeling as we reach the hands all the way up to the sky, palms together, and exhale your hands to yourself, to your heart space. Closing down the eyes. Finding a few deep breaths here. And then gently opening back up through the eyes. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please give it a like or subscribe, and I will see you next time. Namaste.